faster. Now after that, we'll move to the next topic. So we have spent a lot of time on integration. So as I said, what is the synonym of this integration? Is it antiderivative or primitive? Sometimes you'll ask the question, find the antiderivative of. Okay, so he's asking the question like find the antiderivative of. Find antiderivative of or primitive of. Antiderivative or primitive. Find the antiderivative of primitive also. Primitive of. Primitive is also the synonym of integration. The function is given as a cubed root of 2x square. What is asking? Cubed root of 2x square. Find the primitive or antiderivative of cubed root of 2x square. We can make use of exponent and powers concept. Nth root of x, what we can write? Is it x?
Sir, x power 1 by n.
Make use of this property and we can proceed. Completed. So what we can write this? So this function we can take it 2x square whole power 1 by 3. That is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 x square whole power 1 by 3. This is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 x power 2 by 3. I'm going to this as your function f of x. Now we are finding the integral, that is the derivative of your f of x is equivalent to 2 power 1 by 3 will be outside, integral x up 2 by 3 into dx. This is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 and x power 2 by 3 means x power 2 by 3 plus 1 divided by 2 by 3 plus 1 plus 6. 2 by 3 plus 1 means it is 5 by 3. 2 power 1 by 3 into x power 5 by 3 divided by 5 by 3. That 5 by 3 will come numerator and I can write it as cubed root of 2 into 3 divided by 5 x power 5 divided by 3 plus c is the required answer. Number 2. Find the antiderivative of root x plus 1 divided by x whole square.
Sir?
Root x. Yes.
Sir, that means antiderivative means integration only, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So here the numerator and denominator must be square. You can apply square for the numerator and denominator and then you can proceed. Make it fast. Almost we are in end. except one topic, that is integration by parts. UV formula, product rule you can apply.
Sir, which formula, sir?
Which formula you are going to apply for this question?
Sir, just now you said something, sir.
Yeah, that is what I am going to discuss afterwards.
Okay, sir.
Is it completed?
So can I say the answer?
Yes.
Sir, the answer is x plus log x plus 4 root x.
Yes, 4 root x. Next, we need to check whether your answer is correct or not. Integral root whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. That means 2 root x. 2ab divided by x square. Numerator whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. That means integral,
Oh,
it
okay.
is
Sir.
x plus 1 plus 2
Sir,
times
my
of
answer
root
is
x
wrong. Sir.
divided by x square. Right? If you are observing that this is equal to integral x divided by x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 2 root x divided by x square into dx is equal to integral. It is 1 by x, 1 x square plus 2 divided by this root x. I can write it as x power 1 by 2 divided by x square. You can take this x power 1 by 2 in denominator is equal to integral 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by x square plus 2 in 1 divided by x power 2 minus 1 by 2. So whenever you are changing the position of the equation, the exponent will be changes. Integral 1 by x dx, first part. Integral 1 by x square into dx, second part. 2 into integral 2 into 2, 4 minus 1 by 2. 4 minus 1 by 2 means 3 by 2. 1 divided by x power divided by 2 into dx. So your answer is log x. You know that 1 by x square means minus 1 by x plus 2 into minus 1 divided by n minus 1 x power n minus 1. This is equal to log x minus 1 by x minus 2 divided by, what you are going to get, is it 1 by 2 or not? Into x power 1 divided by 2. Take LCM. This 2 will come in numerator. 2 into 2, it will become 4. All your answer is log x minus 1 divided by x minus 4 into divided by root x. X power 1 by 2, I can write it as root x plus c.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, in the first step, why did we get after 1 2 root x, sir?
Where you are getting 2 root x here?
Up,
A,
sir, below the question.
A plus whole square formula you can apply. A square plus b square plus 2ab.
Okay, sir.
You can apply a plus b whole square formula. Now I can go for the integration by parts. We can call it as a UV formula. That is a product rule. This is one of the most important concepts and will create little bit confusion while we are applying the integration by parts or product rule. The next concept is integration by parts. Integration by parts. I mean, you can distribute, you can take the given expression or the given function as two parts. You can also call it as a product rule. Product rule. Right? So how he will give the function? Suppose we have u into v into dx is equal to u integral v minus integral d by dx of u. Simply we can take u dash integral v dx. This dx is for first integration, another dx for entire integration. I'll write a simple term u integral v minus integral u dash integral v dx and dx. What is the u dash here? U dash means du by dx. This is integration by parts. Sir, how we can identify u and v? Any doubt?
No, sir.
This is important concept, product rule, or we can also call it as the integration by parts. And none we don't have any division in integration. Why? Because we are confused in product rule only. It is complicated, the product rule. Then we can understand division. We don't have any division rule. Whenever we have the division rule, we can rewrite the division rule as a product or any one of the previous methods. Yes, Rohan.
Sir, here we have to find the differentiation of u, then its integration, and then put a minus sign to it, sir.
First u outside. I'll give the example so that you can understand. First u outside. For v, you can apply integration minus integral u dash. U dash means you can apply differentiation to u, and then integral v dx. So first you can apply integration for v. This part completed and differentiate to u, and after that you can apply integration for an entire expression. You can understand. This is the formula for finding the product rule, and here a few of the points are going to remember. Is that identify u function, identify the function u and v. We should choose first u function which comes first in the word, first in the word first, from the word isolate. What is that word? Isolate. Suppose we have function, first u can be chosen by making use of the preference first I. What is meant by I here? Where I is equal to inverse trigonometric function. Inverse trigonometric function. Inverse trigonometric function. And second one, what? L. L means logarithmic function. Logarithmic
Sir,
function.
log L-O-G-A, na, sir?
Logarithmic functions. LOGO.
Okay, sir.
logarithmic functions
A is
like
arithmetic.
log x, log x. So inverse trigonometric functions. A is algebraic function. Algebra function. None of this case is not useful for us. Really, we are not using this concept. Logarithmic means log x, like log x, and so on. And algebraic functions means x, 1, x square, x power minus 2, and so on. But we don't have this x power minus 2 always. We'll try to take the positive exponent, so we can take x cube also. Now, T means trigonometric function. Trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions. E means exponential. Exponential function.
Sir, then what will be the
Exponential.
difference between algebraic functions and the exponential functions?
That is, I am giving an example. Let us see. Trigonometric means sin x, cos x, tan x, and so on. And so on. And exponential means e power x, e power ax, and so on. Algebraic means just one. One is also a algebraic function. How? One, I can write it as x power something, that is equal to 0. Yeah. So this is the integration by parts formula. That is integral uv, what we can call it is integral uv. How to identify the questions and how the questions are asking, guys. And one point that you can remember, e power log x to the b value should be x. If you want, you can check by your calculators. E power log of 2 will get 2 only. E power log of 100 means you'll get 100 only. If you want, you can use your calculator. So first you'll give the preference to you. Choose first. After that, you can proceed. Clear? If you are perfect in these formula, and then that isolate, the word isolate, to choose the u function so that we can apply the integration for the given function. This is also called it as a product rule. Clear? Hope it is clear. Can I go for the problems, guys? Examples related to this concept.
Yes.
That is integration by parts. We can also call it as a product rule. Till now, we are finding the integration of just individual functions, single functions. I'll give an example. The first one, find the primitive of x e power x into dx.
So can
X
we try
e
this on
power
our
x
own?
into dx. I'll solve one or two questions, and afterwards you can. I'll take x power e power 2x, x e power. So first we'll give the order of the preference as u. That is inverse. Inverse trigonometric is not there. Logarithmic is not there. Algebraic, yes, algebraic function is there. So from this, what I can choose as u? U is equal to what? Is it x or not?
Yes.
What is mean by v? V means
Or do it.
e power 2x. And you know that u dash means du divided by dx. This is equal to differentiation of x is 1. And afterwards, you can apply that's integral u v dx. Be careful here. What is the formula? U integral v into dx minus integral u dash integral v dx for v integration, and for an entire integration you will get another dx, because the two integrals are there, two dx's will be there. This is equal to integral. Nana, you can this as u, as I said, because it is algebraic function, and e power 2x as a v, because it is an exponential function. Yes.
Sir, I got x into e power 2x, sir.
No, it is wrong. Just listen. First listen. Let us observe one or two questions, and afterwards you can apply. Because here two expressions are there, two terms are there. X e power 2x. Please be careful here. We are doing how we are proceeding. What is meant by u?
X.
X integral. What is meant by v? 2x into dx minus integral. What is meant by u dash? 1 integral. What is meant by v into dx? V means e power 2x into dx. Another dx is also there, guys. Already I have applied u dash. What is meant by u dash? U dash calculated here. This value is
1, sir.
1. This is equal to x into rho is e power 2x integration.
Sir? Sir, what, sir?
Integration of e power 2x.
Sir, e power 2x divided by 2.
E power x divided by 2. So this part is over. Minus integral 1 into, again can we write e power 2x divided by 2 or not?
Yes,
divided
sir.
by
We
2.
will
That
get,
means,
C, sir.
yeah, that means one time one integration is completed. We have had integration for the expression which is in bracket. That part is completed. That is equal to
Integral
x
1.
e power 2x divided by 2 minus integral 1 into something will be 1 only. That's we can take 1 into something will be that something, same expression you will get. I'm going to get minus, that 1 by 2 will be outside. Denominator 2 I can take outside of integration. Again you will get your 2x into dx. Hope this step is clear for you guys. This step is clear. Hope you can understand this. Yes or no?
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, here integration of 1 into e power 2x by 2 or integration of only 1, sir?
No, 1 into what I have written here, u dash integral dx. Integral v dx is e power 2x by 2, 1 into, and even integration of 2x into 3x. What we can write? Integral 2 into integral 3x. Can we distribute it? No. So you can multiply it. This is a single equation. 1 into x means you will get x only. You will get total part as e power 2x divided by 2. But that 1 by 2 I will take outside. Minus 1 divided by 2. Again integral e power 2x means e power 2x divided by 2 plus c is the required answer. But for our convenience, I take it as x e power 2x divided by 2, x e power 2x divided by 2 minus e power 2x divided by 4 plus c is the required answer. Sir, I didn't understand this concept. I need further clarification. I don't want to apply this method. Whenever he is asking the product rule, the product of the two functions whose primitive is to be required, at that time you can make use of the shortcut method. How? Let's observe carefully, guys. Let's observe carefully. Observe carefully. Let us observe carefully. So is integral x e power 2x, that is what he is asking. Yes or no? That is integral u v is equal to u integral v minus integral u dash integral v dx dx. This is your formula. Nana, if you are observing the right hand side, if you are observing the right side, what he has given, u integral v. What is u here? U means x. What is meant by v? E power 2x. According to the right hand formula, u you can take as it is. You can take u function as it is. I am taking u directly. What is meant by u? It is x. This is the shortcut method. This is the shortcut method which I am using. Ritvik, keep in mute. This is the shortcut method. None without using this rule, what we have applied here, directly you can get the required answer. U is what? The first step, u. That is x. For v, what we are doing? For v, integral. Am I correct? So what is integral e power 2x? E means e power 2x. Integral e power 2x means e power 2x divided by 2. Hope the first step is clear. I'm taking u as x, and for v, you apply integration and keep on differentiation. X differentiation is how much? What is differentiation of x?
1.
1. What is the differentiation of 1?
0.
So 0, you can differentiate it to the u function. And for v, you can apply integration. You can apply integration. Already 1 by 2 is there.
E power 2x.
Integral e power 2x divided by 2.
E power 2x divided by 4.
It is not necessary. It is not necessary. Just keep in mute, please, and see that your surroundings should be calm. Otherwise, you cannot unmute yourself. Okay? So keep in mute. If your surroundings should be calm, then only you can unmute. Otherwise, you can just listen our lecture. I am repeating again. By making use of the formula, is the formula that we have. U, first part you can observe. U, I am taking as x, and for v, apply integration. Integral v. Integral v. What is integral v? Integral v is equal to integral e power 2x is equal to e power 2x divided 2. So this is the shortcut method which I am applying. Sir, what is the resultant? Resultant is nothing, right? Just can apply alternatively plus, minus, plus. You can multiply these two. These two you can multiply. This expression, and you can multiply these two. Last term, it is not necessary. It is 0. First listen, and I'll come to you. Last step, it is not necessary. It is 0. Something, it will become 0. Okay. Now our result is integral x e power 2 into dx is equal to, multiply these two, x e power 2x divided by 2 minus here 1 into e power 2x divided by 4 plus c. Have you got the same answer? Just I can apply the shortcut method. And the method what we are in competitive examinations, I never go for the first one, because suppose x square is given, it is so complicated, guys. In place of x, suppose we have x square, it is not possible. I mean, you can apply integration by parts 2 times. You can apply integration by parts UV formula twice. In the second part of the expression, you will get, instead of 1, you get 2x. What you will get? 2x. Again, we should go for x e power x formula. It is complicated. I mean, 2 times you can apply the integration by parts. But if you are in the shortcut method, it is very simple. Just listen carefully once again. We are doing the shortcut method. You keep on differentiating till you will get 0. For v, starting you can apply integration and keep on integrating it. And how many times? This is up to the 0 terms of differentiation where it is 0. And it is not necessary, because you people have to multiply these two. You can multiply these 2 terms. But don't forget, alternate can take plus, minus, and so on. Hope these 2 concepts are clear. If you are perfect, I'll go for square into e power 2x. Now you can ask your doubts. Yes. Having any doubts, you can. Yes, Ritvik.
Sir, in the left part, last but 2. How did we get minus 1 by 2, sir?
That's it. Is the formula. This denominator 2 I'll take outside. The denominator 2 is there, e power 2x by 2. That 2 I'll take outside. You will get just e power 2x. Again, if I'm applying e power 2x integration, e power 2x by 2. If any constant is there, constant will take outside of your integration.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubts? Abhinav, Srinidhi, Vagdevi, Shrestha, any doubts? As I said, if he has given x square, then it is so complicated, guys. I'll try to go for that question also. Whenever the power of x or like expression is increasing, it is so complicated to apply the integration. But if I'm applying the shortcut method, it's easy. Let's see how to get the integration of x e power x. Can I go for the next one? Second example. And this is important and complicated concept. Yes, please. Integral x e power x into dx. What
This
is the?
can do this, sir.
Yes, please.
This we have to do, or you are telling, sir?
No, I'm telling. Or x square. It should be v. Nana, as I said, u is x square and v is e power 2x. First, I can go for shortcut method, and afterwards, we'll go for the direct method, that is integral ub. Short method first. What I said, guys, you can take as it is. What is u? Can anybody tell me what is u here?
X square.
X square. Ritvik, what is the differentiation of x square? Ritvik, differentiation of x square.
Sir, can I?
Srinidhi, differentiation of x square.
Sir, x square.
Differentiation of x square.
Sir, 2x power 1. 2x, sir.
Yeah, that is a 2x. What is the differentiation of 2x?
Sir, 2.
Rohan, 2.
Sir,
What
2.
is the difference? Very good. Differentiation of 2.
0, sir.
Very good. So, how many times that you can apply differentiation till you will get 0? Till u must be vanishes. It vanishing, it will become 0. So, you can stop here. Rohan, what you can do for integration for v? Can we apply integral v or not?
Yes, sir. E power x,
Yes,
e power
sir.
x, e power x.
So you can apply integration for e power x. So you will get e power x or not? E power x integration, e power x. Again, e power x integration, e power x. Again, e power x integration, it is not necessary. You can keep on integrating it. You will get e power x only. In the previous question, e power something is there, that something will exist in denominator. And as I said, you can take alternatively what? First plus, next minus, next plus, next minus. Next, what we are going to do, can we multiply? Yes, Nana. Can we multiply both the expressions, both the terms for u as well as v? You will get x square e power x minus 2x e power x plus 2 e power x minus 0. You can take e power x as common. If you are observing that x square, whose the differentiation is 2x, whose the differentiation is 2, but alternatively plus minus plus. This is the simplest form of your integration by parts by using UV formula. plus C should be there. It is always C will be added to you.
Sir, then in every question we can use like this, sir. We can do differentiation till we get 0 and integration of V.
Yes, for every question, but only in competitive examinations, guys. But you can verify. Suppose he's asking x square e power x, you can verify. It is a part of our solution. It is a part of our solution. Okay, so in 12th standard of your mathematics, I can use this concept internally. It is a part of our question. It is not just the question will not ask like this. He'll ask the questions little bit complicated, but this concept integration by parts will exist in the middle of the question. That means it is a part of our solution, guys. Be careful. Now I am going to apply direct method. Any doubts regarding to this shortcut method? Any doubts by anybody else? I can apply integral uv by using direct method. U integral v minus integral u dash integral v dx and then dx. So integral u means x square into e power x is given to you. Guys, u means I can write x square. Integral v, that is e power x into dx, minus integral u dash means it is a 2x integral e power x into dx, one more dx. I have not applied the integration, but I have applied the differentiation. Why? Because u is given as x square, then u dash will be 2 times of x. That is what I have written, 2x. This is equal to, first part is carry forward because the whose integration is completed. Integral e power x is e power x minus, as I said, if any constant is there, that constant will comes outside, and integral e power x is e power x into dx. Clear? What is integral e power x? In bracket, what I have written, integral e power x means e power x. This is the expression integration of e power x. That part is completed. Again, if you are observing, you will get x e power x. Am I correct? X e power x. Again, uv formula. This will be considered as u and this will be considered as v. Hope this step is clear. Yes, Nana? What is u here? X. What is u dash? That is 1. One more time that we are applying integration by parts. Is equal to x square e power x minus 2 into, observe carefully, u integral e power x, u integral v minus integral u dash integral v dx and then one more dx. So second time we are applying integration by parts for x e power x. Just now we have completed x e power 2x problem. Just now we have completed. You can apply same as the previous concept. Just as I said, keep in mute please, all of you. Is equal to x square e power x minus 2 will be outside, in bracket x e power x, integral e power x means e power x minus integral again e power x means e power x into dx. Clear? Is equal to, now that minus will be distributed, and before going to that you can apply integration for e power x. I'll get the same answer, but it is little bit complicated when we apply the integration by parts. Minus e power x integration is e power x plus c. Now this is equal to x square e power x minus 2x e power x minus of minus plus 2 e power x is equal to, can we take e power x as common? That is x square minus 2x plus 2. So which one is good? Which one is better for us? The direct method or the shortcut method? So we are going to use the shortcut method, correct? We can make use of the shortcut method, guys. And this is the method we are using for finding of integration by parts. UV formula for any function. Suppose x cube is there, you can keep on differentiating. One more term will exist. X cube, 3x square, 6x plus 6. Yes or no? And integration of e power x, e power x, e power x. Suppose e power 5x is there. E power 5x by 5, e power 5x by 5 square, e power 5x by 5 cube, e power 5x by 5 power 4. So always that constant will exist in denominator. Hope this question is also clear. This is the shortcut method I'm using. And this is the direct method. If you are observing, we are applying the integration by parts 2 times. We are applying the integration by parts product rule twice, 2 times. It's a lengthy process, but if you are using the shortcut method, it's very easy to get the required answer. Always try to use the shortcut method, guys. And we have number of questions. Tomorrow also I'll try to continue the same topic, and afterwards I'll go for the definite integration. Right? That's it for today. We'll continue tomorrow with the same topic.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Bye. Good night, guys. Good night to all of you.
Thanks, sir. Bye, sir. Good night.